Our macaron boxes are a favourite with our customers, and with our creative design it's clear to see why. Hi, I'm Mel from Boxed. Our black designer range macaron boxes feel luxurious, making them the perfect high-end packaging for any brand. This particular finish is also exclusive to us here in Australia. All our boxes are delivered flat packed and assembly is required. However, putting them together is easy, and we'll get into that later on in the video. Now, despite the name, our boxes aren't solely used for macarons. Some of our clients have used them to display other small baked goods as well as handmade items such as scrunchies. The creative opportunities with our boxes are absolutely endless. They also come in various sizes to help better suit your product. Here at Boxed, there's no need for an account or ABN, and best of all, we ship all orders express. We've made sure our packaging is readily available to everyone. And as promised, I'm going to show you how simple assembly is. Now, before we start, it's really important to have a clean workspace, as these matte black boxes are not laminated, and the last thing you want to do is mark the box. We're going to just fold in. Now, it's really easy because you'll notice that each fold will have a line, easy for you to follow. And we're going to do that on all four sides. Now, once you've done that, you've got all the folds in place. We're going to come around, pinch the sides in, and we're going to do it again on the other side. Once we've got them both pinched in there, you simply just push it into place. Simple as that. Go around to the other side, pinch the corners in again, and push it down into place. So you've now got all four sides pushed down into place, and it looks like that. Now we're going to put the insert inside. So we're going to fold here. Always remember this one by folding up. Now once we have that ready, we're going to push that straight in. So the insert will simply go in, and it will look like that. So you've got your two sides there. And now I'm going to get the slide ready. So you just fold again. There we go. I'm going to turn that around, slide it straight in. Nice and simple. And there you have it. We also recommend to remove the plastic on the sleeve as late as possible to prevent any marking on the cover. Now, the best part is there's no need for glue or staples. I'd recommend placing a ribbon around the box if you require a tighter seal. Maybe you're a humble home baker who gives the gift of delicious treats for birthdays, or maybe you have multiple bakeries scattered throughout the country. Either way, our chic macaron boxes in black are the perfect storage for all your small baked goods. Thanks so much for watching.